Miss Lowell Productions here. In today's video, I'm going to be making no glue testing and no glue fluffy slime. So yeah, I know I'm just balancing this, on baking soda because I do not have a tripod for my phone. So yeah, but otherwise, please leave a like and subscribe to Miss Lowell Productions. Please leave a comment down below. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so what you need for this slime recipe is shampoo. I'm using clear Pantene. Shaving cream. I'm using the Equate kind. Oh, 1 second. Also need salt, a bowl or plate, last but not least, you need a mixing tool. So let's take out our bowl or plate and we're gonna add in our shampoo. I just recently bought this and it's almost gone. I just use it so much. I'm not gonna make a lot because I don't want to use up all my shampoo. So I'm gonna use that much. Come on, get off of there after a while. Okay, and so now we're gonna take our shaving cream and put it in there. 1 second. Okay. You actually kind of want to add equal parts, equal amounts basically. So I'm going to add in about that much. That looks good. Now I take my mixing tool and start mixing. It's kind of already forming into a slime. And by the way, guys, you can also use food coloring to color it, or glitter. I just made, well, last time I made this, I just used glitter. And you actually really want this to be really thick when mixing it, because it doesn't have any glue. It doesn't have a glue base, so. So yeah. Okay guys, so after mixing, you want to add in a little bit of salt. So let's just say about that much would do it. Just a little more. And you can definitely see that it's like thickening up already. Guys, so after mixing, probably for about 1 minute, I'm going to put this into the freezer for 10 minutes and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes in the fridge, well in the freezer. Here is the slime. 1 second. I'm just gonna grab a nice tea container and put it right here so you can see. Here is the slime. So it definitely did thicken up. I don't really know if it formed like slime. It's really sticky though. I don't think it's like one you can play with, like. So yeah, that's the slime and now I'm gonna pick it up. I'll try picking it up anyway. It's really stretchy actually. Way stretchier than the one I made last time. It's really cool and really fun to play with, like stretch. Like it's just like really sticky though. So yeah, that's the slime. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!